Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to let another admin edit stories, this guide is for you. With Telegram's latest update, it's now possible to grant specific story editing permissions to admins directly from Telegram Web. Here's how you can do it step by step. First, open Telegram Web in your browser. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights in the group you want to manage. Once you're in, find your group in the chat list and open it. You'll see the group's conversation window. At the top of the screen, click on the group's name. This will open the group's profile page, where you can view details and settings for your group. On the group profile page, look for the edit icon, usually represented by a pencil, or the word edit. Click on it to access the group's management settings. Next, go to the administrators section. Here, you'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Click on the name of the admin you want to give story editing permissions to. A new window will open showing the admin's current permissions. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Edit Stories of Others. This is the new permission that allows an admin to edit stories posted by other admins in the group. Enable this option by clicking the toggle switch next to it. Once it's turned on, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. That's it. You've successfully allowed another admin to edit stories in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. This feature is especially useful for collaborative groups where multiple admins need to manage and update group stories efficiently. Remember, you can always return to the administrator section to adjust permissions as your group's needs evolve. Thanks to Telegram's ongoing updates, managing group content is now more flexible than ever.